You guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're showing you guys how to create this blood opium VHS effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, like always, create our first adjustment layer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a mosaic effect. Drag in mosaic. Put our horizontal and vertical blocks at 240. And it's gonna give us a nice blocky effect. Then I'm gonna close this out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a noise effect. Go here to noise grade, drag in noise, turn off use color noise, and put our amount all the way up to 25 or 35. Doesn't really matter as long as you don't go too much. Then once after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add threshold or CC threshold. Drag it in, maybe bring it down just a bit. Bring up our blend to about right here. Close this out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add S_scan lines. Drag it in. Put our lines frequency to around maybe 1 or 2. I think 1 looks nice. Head to our lines shift right here. Open up our keyframe. Open up our timeline and make sure it's at 0. Head to the end of our clip and put it at 3. Highlight these right here. And it should start giving us a nice kind of a CRT or like a security camera right here. It starts like kind of scrolling through it. I'm gonna push our keyframe to the end. Close this out. Once after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add a signal effect. Drag in signal. Go here to our lumen modulation and turn off our tape errors. Once after adding signal, I'm gonna go ahead and add our motion tile effect. Go to our output width and we're gonna drag it down to 75. And yeah, this actual motion tile effect, it's optional. You guys don't have to do it. It does help give us a nice kind of vibe to it. Put it up to 85 instead of 75. Once after that, I'm gonna go ahead and drag in our tritone effect, and it's gonna help give us our nice and blood opium effect that we need. So I'm going to go to red. Maybe go down to our darker reds right here. So once after that, we close this out, save a project. And yeah, that is it. Create this blood opium CRT/VHS effect for next music video or edit. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Keep working hard and keep on staying creative. Peace out.